Joe here with Rogue Fabrication. About 15 years ago, I found this 4Runner bone stock with some glass broken out of it in a field with cats living in it, and I'm not kidding. I started building it into a rock crawler, and pretty soon it wasn't super safe to operate without a roll cage. That started off the business Rogue Fabrication, the same one that you know today. We actually do drawings for these things also. You don't have to actually go out and buy one to make your motorsports dreams a reality and get in the garage and fabricate. You can win one. So we started giving away tubing benders around the year 2019, and we've given away about 36 of them to date. About every 2 months, a drawing ends. We pick a winner. They're picked at random from people who buy things like swag. That could be like our, hats, T-shirts, banners, posters, things like that. All those are available at roguefab.com. There's also other methods of entry that are free, like social media or postcard methods, and those all add up, so you can do more than one to increase your chances of winning. All the details are at roguefab.com/drawings. So we'll see you guys on drawing day.